The audio in this clip is very messed up because of the wind, so I had to redo it. So I am now going to tell you that that random stranger, who I have no idea who they are, is talking to me about this tree saver that they decided to make, and I helped out with. Right now they're talking about how bad trees get hurt when you weed whack them, and that's not good. So this thing is made to prevent that, and it's kind of unique, the design. It's a 3D printed design by this random guy who I have no idea who it is. He designed it, and then right now, at this moment, he has stakes. Or he had stakes. Those stakes are going to be shown right now.
Really quick. Alright. Look at the spike design.
Random stranger.
Behind these are pretty cool. Like, so it doesn't go through. You have this part up here. And then you have this, like, spike area down here, which is really nice. And then, can I show the capsule unit?
All right, so if you take a look at this, you'll see a couple mistakes on the design just made it hard to get apart. You're actually gonna see one of the fingers got ripped off when we were trying to take this apart. We'll do something different on version 3, or version 4, this is version 3. But good concept here where these two pieces come apart, go around the tree, they'll come together here. We'll have the spikes go through the individual areas made for that, and 2 of them will hold this together, and the other 2 will just help stabilize it in the ground. And the great thing about it is when the trees start getting a little bigger, we can just pop them out and put it on another one of the trees as we grow our orchard. So that's version 3.
Okay, since we're putting the stakes in the ground, the noise is like really bad for this part. So I decided to spare all of your ears and yeah, kind of just save your ears. So we're just putting them in the ground in this clip and also in this clip. It's a few days later. Apples are kind of going well, and the apple trees are also growing well. Hopefully we should get a lot of apples. It would be nice to have apples. Apples are good.
Smooth transition.
So it came out pretty well in the end. I had to redo the audio on this part as well because it was really windy. It was actually pretty nice. I liked how it came out, and I think it looks very cool, and I like it. So I will have to make more